morning everyone. Welcome you student. Today we are going to revise chapter 3. Okay, this is your worksheet and I am explaining this worksheet as a revision. Okay, so this is chapter 3, understanding MS Word. So first of all, let's start with this question. Write the steps to open MS Word. Student, these steps I have repeated so many times, and I don't want anyone, if this type of question comes in your exam, then I don't want anyone is not able to give answer. It's very easy and repeatedly I am repeating these steps. Okay, so student, what are the steps to open the MS Word? I hope you all know that. To open the MS Word, what we need to do? We need to go to the start button. Okay, we need to go to click on the start button. Okay, this is your start button, and then go to the all programs. Here is the all program. Okay, we need to click on the all program. As we click on the all program, you will get a Microsoft Office folder. Okay, so in Microsoft Office folder, you have to click on the Microsoft Office. As you click on Microsoft Office, all the Microsoft Office related application software will display. Here you have to choose Microsoft Office Word. Microsoft Office Word. So this one. So your Microsoft Office Word window will open in front of you. So these are the steps to open Microsoft Word program. Clear to everyone? Okay, so let's close this. Now let's do these fill in the blanks. With the help of these fill in the blanks also, we will cover some topics of this chapter. Okay, so first question is, Microsoft Word is a dash software. Student, in where I have explained you about the Windows, I explained you the software, about the software. Software is of two types. One is your system software, that is your Windows. Windows is an operating system, and operating system is a system software that works for computer, that enables the computer to do work. And one type of software is application software, that is designed for the purpose of user, according to the need of user. It is not necessary for computer system to run. It is necessary according to your need. So application software are installed in the computer system according to the need. But system software are the need of the computer system to work. I hope my words are clear to everyone. Okay. So here what will the answer? Microsoft Word is an application software. We can install it according to our need. If we do not need Microsoft Word, so we can uninstall it. But usually we need the Microsoft Word. Okay, it's a document software. We can create any file with the help of this software. That's why we are learning. It's very good software. Okay, so what is the answer? Here the answer will be application software. Okay, it is the application software. Clear to everyone? It is a application software. Next question is, dash is a temporary storage area in the window. जो temporary storage area है window में, वो क्या है? What is it? It is your clipboard. Okay, it is your clipboard. Student, whatever you are doing work, copying something, या आप copy and move आपने एक सीखा था feature. तो बेटा जब आप कुछ कॉपी करते हो, whenever you are copying something, till you haven't pasted anything, it will be saved in your clipboard. जब तक कि आप उसे पेस्ट नहीं कर देते हैं, तब तक वो कहाँ सेव होता है? क्लिपबोर्ड. वो टेम्पररी मेमोरी है आपके विंडोज़ की, वहाँ सेव रहता है. सिमिलरली कट, आप कट करते हो, वहाँ से रिमूव हो जाता है, दैट वो पर्टिकुलर वर्ड वहाँ से रिमूव हो जाता है. वो कहाँ जाता है? It will be temporarily stored in your clipboard, and then it will, when you will apply the command paste, then it will come back. For example, I am just cutting this text. Okay, so there is a cut option. Cut, it is removed from the window. And if I will paste, Control and V, or either we can press from here also, paste. As I paste, it will come back. It will come back from where? It will come back from the clipboard. Okay. So I hope you all have learned this. This here the answer will be clipboard. Okay. Clipboard. Clipboard. Clear to everyone? Next is the dash bar displays the name of the current document and application. Dash bar displays name of the current document and application. अगर आप ये देख पा रहे, this is also word file. Okay, this I am also making your worksheet in a word file. So if you are able to see a bar where the name of the document is saved, you can see worksheet number 16 class 5 here. Let me show you. This one. Worksheet 15 class 5. If you are able to see, let me show you like this. Okay. Worksheet 15 class 5. It will be more visible to you. See. So what is this bar called? Where the name of the file is displayed. Name of the file is displayed. That is called your what? Title bar. Okay. What do we call to it? It is called your title bar. Title bar. Clear to everyone? It is called your title bar. The answer will be your title bar. Okay. Yes. Okay. So next is the area where we type and edit text is known as. हम जिस एरिया में आपका टाइप करते हैं टेक्स्ट को एंड टेक्स्ट को एडिट करते हैं, व्हाट डू वी कॉल टू इट? वर्किंग एरिया. ओके, व्हाट डू वी कॉल टू इट? वर्किंग एरिया. ओके, वर्किंग एरिया. Okay, this is called your working area. Next is we should not press dash key at the end of each line, or we do not need to require at the end of each line. जब हम कुछ लिख रहे हैं तो हमें एंटर की प्रेस करने की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है हर लाइन में. Why? Because वर्ड आपको ये फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करता है कि वो ऑटोमेटिकली नेक्स्ट लाइन में आपको लेके चले जाता है जब लाइन फिनिश हो जाती है. When line is finished, it will shift you to next line automatically. This is the feature of your Word. Okay, Microsoft Word का ये feature है. It will shift you to next line automatically. So what will be the answer? We do not need to press enter key. Okay, we do not need to press enter key. For example, मैं कुछ भी टाइप कर रही हूँ, देखो मैं एंटर की प्रेस नहीं करूँगी, वो खुद ही नेक्स्ट लाइन में आ जाएगा. इट विल कम ऑटोमेटिकली टू नेक्स्ट लाइन. ओके, सो दिस इज दैट्स व्हाई वी डू नॉट नीड टू प्रेस एवरी टाइम एंटर की. ओके, क्लियर टू एवरीवन? ओके, now our next questions are based on shortcut keys. Student, you all have to learn the shortcut keys in a very all the shortcut key of your all 3 chapters. All mainly 3 chapters are there based on shortcut keys, and some basic shortcut keys so you definitely need to learn. Okay, so how to open a new document? What is the exact way? Is that go to the file. Okay, and in the Windows 7 it is the office button. Okay student, this is this is Windows 10 actually. Right now I am working on Windows 10, that's why there is an option of file. Okay, but if you will open Windows 7, there is an option of office button. Okay, so in the Windows 10 there is a file option, and in the Windows 7 there is a office button. So in office button you have to click on the new option. Okay, and then click on the create. Your new file will open. Okay, but To open a new document with the help of shortcut key, how will you open? CTRL plus N keys together. Okay, CTRL and N keys together. ठीक है, CTRL and N keys together. Let me show you. So this is your keyboard. Okay, so control key आपको सबको पता है. This is your control key and N keys. So N is a letter. Okay, so I am pressing now control and N keys together. So you can see आपका नया पेज अपने आप ओपन हो जाएगा. New file will open in front of you. Okay, so this is how you can open a new document with the help of these two keys. You will press together. Plus का मीनिंग यहाँ पे प्लस की प्रेस नहीं करनी बेटा आपको. So many students are confused in that कि लाइक आपको प्लस भी प्रेस करना है. नहीं, अब प्लस का मीनिंग है ये दोनों साथ में प्रेस करनी है. यू नीड टू प्रेस बोथ टुगेदर. मतलब कंट्रोल की को आपको होल्ड करके रखना है एंड एन की को भी साथ में प्रेस करना है. ओके, क्लियर टू एवरीवन? ओके, नेक्स्ट इज टू ओपन एग्जिस्टिंग MS Word डॉक्यूमेंट. व्हाट यू नीड टू डू? अगर आपको एक पुराना कोई डॉक्यूमेंट अपना ओपन करना है, व्हाट यू नीड टू डू? यू नीड टू गो टू द फाइल और यू कैन गो टू द office button in Windows 7 according to Windows 7 and your book also, because your chapter is based on Windows 7. Okay, so in Windows 7 there is a office button. Okay, you have to click on the office button and then click on the open, and then you will go to the you need to select the drive where your file is saved. Okay, where your file is saved, and you need to click that particular folder or file. Okay, clear to everyone? So this is how you can open your document. Okay, but by using shortcut key, how to do this? CTRL plus O. As you click on CTRL and O keys together, your open dialog box will open. When you click on the open button from the office button, then also open dialog box opens, and when you press the control keys and O keys together, then also your open dialog box will open. Okay, and this is how your open dialog box opens, and you have to select your own file. Okay, just like this. Clear to everyone? Okay, so what is the shortcut key? CTRL plus O. Okay, CTRL plus O. Now to save a document, for example, I want to save this file. So much of work I have done in this. Now I want to save this. To save a file, what we need to do? One way is there, go to office button or a file button. Okay, and then click on the save option. Okay, and another way is what? Another way is that if your file is already saved, there is no need to save again and again. You need to do what? Control and S keys together. Your file will be saved. If you are saving your file first time, then save as dialog box will open. Whenever you save your file first time, it opens with save as dialog box, and you have to type the name of your document, and then you have to click on the save, and you have to locate the address also where you want to save the document. Clear to everyone? Okay, so what is the shortcut key? Control, wait a minute, Control plus your S. Okay, Control plus S keys together you have to press. Okay, next is your cut any text from document. Okay, if you want to cut any text from document, what you need to do? For example, I want to, अभी भी मैंने आपके सामने किया था. For example, I want to cut this text. What I need to do? One way, though, I have explained you in the home, in the clipboard group, there is a cut option, and for copy there is a copy option, for paste there is a paste option. But by the shortcut key, Control and X keys, जैसे आपने Control and X की टुगेदर प्रेस की, आपका वर्ड कट हो गया. जैसे आप Control and B कीज प्रेस करेंगे, वो पेस्ट हो जाएगा. Okay, so what is the answer for cutting the text? CTRL plus X. Okay, for copying any text, CTRL, making a duplicate of any text, CTRL plus C. ओके, से मुझे इसका कॉपी करना है, एक डुप्लीकेट बनाना है, कंट्रोल एंड C. ये कॉपी हो चुका है. आई वॉन्ट टू पेस्ट है. See, it is pasted. Clear to everyone? It duplicate is created. Okay, so I'm removing it right now. Okay, so this is how you can. And for pasting, this is CTRL plus V. CTRL plus V. Okay, CTRL plus V. And for printing a file, अगर आपको अपनी फाइल को प्रिंट करना, अपनी डॉक्यूमेंट को प्रिंट करना है, one way is go to the office button or a file button, okay, and go to the, you will write office button according to syllabus. You are learning about Windows 7 there, so you will write office button, okay, and then you have to click on the print option. Then you have to locate your folder, okay, whatever the, sorry, you have to locate your printer, which printer you want to, from which printer you want to print, and then you have to click on the number of copies, which paper you, which page you want to copy. These things you have to set, and then click on the print option. Okay, otherwise the other way to print the document, to open the print dialog box, Control and P keys together. As you press Control and P keys together, this print dialog box will open in front of you. Okay, print dialog box will open in front of you. This is how you can print your document. So this is all clear to all of you. Okay, so what is the shortcut key? A minute. Shortcut key will be CTRL plus V. Okay, CTRL plus V keys are the shortcut keys. Okay, sorry, it's P. I'm telling you P and writing V. This is P, Control plus P keys. So I'm just leaving this. All of you, those who have not done these questions, they can do this, because in some worksheet I have given these shortcut keys also to you to solve. So right now you can do these. Okay, so this is how we have learned so many things in this chapter. Okay, so this is your Word document already. You can color your document, you can color your text also, right? You can bold, italic. So for example, I want to bold this heading, so I will go to the home, and in the font group I can bold it. If I want to make it underline, I can underline it. This is our text, so I want to make it first bold, and I want to make it italic also. Okay, I want to make it italic also, so I can italize this. Okay, so this is what you can apply in your document. Okay, these all things you can apply in your document with the help of this. Okay, so thank you everyone, and online I have explained you, and I also explained you. If you want to make it again, you want to make it in a simple way, you don't want to make it italic, you can press it again. This is a toggle button, toggle key. This is a toggle button. Toggle button का मतलब क्या होता है कि उसे क्लिक करने से वही चीज़ अप्लाई होगी, और उसी को क्लिक करने से वही चीज़ दोबारा से रिमूव हो जाएगी. Clear to everyone? Okay. So for example, I am making this in italic form. Okay, I am making this in italic form. So it will be like this. So thank you everyone. Keep watching the video and do practice for your exam.